Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to get my nails done. I'm going to Target and I think to grab something to eat. And yeah. So I want you guys to come along with me today and we're gonna spend the day together. Another, a little day in my life. And yeah. Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time for making up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive in this heat touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just enough. Alright, so now we hit the flow. It's like I don't got no shirt on. I got a shirt on. I got a little too tight on, y'all. But first I'm put together this table, and then I'm gonna do this little collapse thingy thing. That's literally it. I just want to put my shoes that's right here under and in that bin because it's getting a little out of control. Dang, how you open that? Oh, I hope I don't need. I hope this come with a little screwdriver or something. What? It don't, y'all. Wait, I think I can just screw it in. Because I don't know if I got a screwdriver down here. I mean, my daddy's, but it ain't mine. So, nah. But it gives you assembly instructions. And then this is a little table. It's a little itty bitty table. I didn't realize it was going to be this long. I mean, I should have known, but ain't nothing too bad. Oh, I don't even need a screwdriver, actually. So, you got like saran wrap on this joint. They had another table like this, but I ain't want that one. I wanted this one. I've been looking at this table on their website for a minute, but I never got it because I was just like, what am I using it for? But now it's like, I want to do something. I just wanted to. Okay. So it has these little screwy pieces. You just screw them off and then put them on there, basically. You just screw these pieces back on. Alright. So, ooh, I just dropped the little thingy thing. Okay, so then you just screw these little pieces on. I can even get it to go on. For one. I got nails, so this about to be a struggle. Alright. This joint's a little wobbly. This little airbed table. This joint is really like small. Shoot. Let me some like. This is the like tightest it's gonna get for right now because I don't have nothing to like make it tighter. Which number letter is this? Oh yeah, it gives you the letters on here too and on the table so that you know which ones go where. I'm pretty sure it probably doesn't matter, but it tells you which ones go where. I'm about to literally like, I'm about to eat my food. I got a salad from Chick-fil-A and watch some YouTube. Cause why not? What the heck? Can't I get this on? I got me a what's it called? So this is what the little table is. It comes out like this to my bed. So yeah, this is the little table for her. And now I'm gonna put together this little thing so I can put my shoes in. Now let's open this. We don't got no little flat joint. Okay. So I'll probably like do that thing on my wall later today. I got stuff to do. So I'm gonna just open it. Where the top? Oh, the top is already on here. Oh shoot. So we just put this in here in the middle. And it lays like what? Okay. This is gonna fit right up under my bed. I'm gonna put the shoes down. Don't really wear like that. That's sitting right here. My snucks, I don't wear them like that. I wear them every once in a while. So yeah, those gonna go in there. I wear my black Crocs every day. I don't wear these every day, but I love these shoes, so I'm gonna keep them out. I don't wear my pink ones, but I don't want to put them in here. But at the same time, I can put them in here because I don't wear them. My yellow Crocs. These are just work Crocs when I go to the shop. Yeah, this is what the little box looking like. It can fit more shoes in here, but I got how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got like 8, 9 pairs of shoes in here. So that tells you the size of it. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? Really having this place on nothing. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. Really having this place on nothing. Take you there, take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Say our time, we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't you touch. I'm back, yo, and I just got the shower. But I felt so much better than I got the shower. Like, I was so hot and sweaty. Literally, like, yeah. I got this skin. I don't be trying to dry off my face, but I be needing to sometimes because this is crazy. I'm about to just put on. I don't think I'm gonna put on my eye soap. I need to clean my room, so I think that's gonna be on my to-do list today. I always put too freaking much. I do literally just I need to clean my bed. Like, my bed needs to be clean. Meaning I need to like make up my bed and make it look better, because my bed looks a mess right now. So first I'm gonna start off with my bed in this area. You see my desk, and then that back there. So I'm gonna start off with that first, and then I'm gonna work over here on this side, because this side is where all my clothes really is, And I need to wash them clothes. I got 2 bags of clothes that I have to wash. Let's get to cleaning, y'all.
Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've had it, that's all right. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it, that's all right. Take you there, take you there. Take you there. Give me, please, me, don't tease me, don't make you me. You give it to me, yeah. Give me, please, me, don't tease me, don't make you me, yeah. I want you to give it to me, yeah.
Come here. A little bit.
It's not that I don't want you here, yeah. It's something about the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away, on trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is end up pictures on replay. Still right next to you, you do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and stay right next to you. You, I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around,
Hey guys, so it is 9:58 right now, and I finally got some peace and quiet. My nephew's gone, so now I'm getting ready to chill, finish editing, and then I'm going to literally go to bed when my mom gets home, because I'm still watching after my dad. So I am actually still waiting for her to come home. Hopefully she'll be home in the next hour or so that I can go to bed, because I am super tired and overstimulated right now, and I just really want to go to sleep. Like, I just need to restart, reboot, recap. Like, I just want to go to sleep. So yeah, but I'll see you guys in the next video. This is the end of today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know what I'll be posting next. Actually, I do know what I'll be posting next. This was actually super unplanned, but yeah, it turned into a day in a life to a collective vlog. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.